You've probably seen videos like these before. People are making thousands of dollars just by uploading these sticky animation videos. The great news is that competition in this niche is low. So you can grow quickly and earn more money. You can post these videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, making money across all platforms today. I'll show you how to create these videos using AI. So without further, let's dive in. To create any video, we first need a script. If you look at any of the sticky animation videos, you will notice that they are passing through a message in a funny way. So we have to write a script that will be funny and convey a message. I will use ChatGPT to generate the script after logging into the ChatGPT account. Come to the prompt box and enter the prompt. I will put the exact prompt in the description box. I want to make short videos for YouTube. That will be funny, but convey a message. The video format will be in conversation of a single person format. Can you please write some script for me? You can create a multi-person format. Also, all right, our script is ready now. Copy the script and paste it into a doc file. Once it is done, delete the visual suggestions and character portion of the script. All right, our script is now ready. Now we have to turn it into voiceover. To do that, I will use 11 Labs. So sign up or log into your 11 Labs account. Once you are on this page, you have to enter the script. Now come back to the script doc file, copy the first paragraph of the script, and then paste the text into 11 Labs. Select the perfect voice actor that will match with a sticky character. I will recommend using a character and animation voice actor. Once you find the best voice actor, generate the voiceover and then download it to your device after completing the first line. In the same way, generate voiceover for all of the conversation lines and save them to your device. Don't forget to organize them in ascending order. Alright, our voiceover clips are ready. Now it's time to create the actual animation. And to do that, I will use Adobe Express. Open a new tab on your browser and search for MP3 to animation. You will find Animate Your Audio for free with Adobe on the top of the page. Click on it. Now, if you don't have an account, you must create an Adobe account. Once you are logged in, click on Start. Now clicking on this takes you to where the magic begins. In this new interface, there's a bunch of characters you can pick from. I found one named Sticky. That looks pretty funny and simple, but don't worry, there are hundreds more. If Sticky isn't your style, then you can also pick a background. There are lots to choose from. You can also adjust the size of your animation, whether it's for YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. It's all possible here. I chose a 9:6 ratio because it's perfect for stories and reels. Now, if you want to add your voice, just hit the record button. Or if you want to use some audio from any video clip, you have to click on this browse button, as I already generated audio with 11 Labs. I will go with the browse option. Now upload the first voiceover clip. Adobe Express will start animating your character automatically with lip sync. It will take some time, mainly depends on the audio clips. Length, let's fast forward this part, and here it is, our animation is ready. Let's see a preview. Alright, Dave, today is the daytime to impress the boss. Let's go over the plan. That's perfect. Now click on the download button from here to save the animation clip. Alright, once the first animation is done, click on the back button from here. Now I will create animation with the second audio clip. To do that, click on the replace audio button from here. Next, click on the browse button and upload the second audio clip. Once the second animation has been generated successfully, download the anime to your device in the same method. Create animation clips with all the audio clips and save them to your device. Alright, all of our animation clips are ready now. It's time to assemble them with a video editor. I will use CapCut to do that. You can use the online version. Also, import all the animated video clips to your video editor. Now insert them into the timeline. Now you may notice that our script is about 2 different versions of the same character. So I will add slide effects to all between every scene to make it understandable. Do it until the last scene. You can add BGM and sound effects to make it more engaging. Once everything is set, hit the export button. it will take some time to render the video. Let's first forward this part, and here it is, our video is ready. Alright, Dave, today is the daytime to impress the boss. Let's go over the plan. Okay, Dave, you got this, just be yourself. Well, maybe a slightly more professional version of yourself, go get them, tiger. Alright, Mr. Johnson, have a great day. Or, see you later, alligator. That's impressive. In this way, you can create different characters for your sticky animation and make engaging sticky animation videos using AI. Alright, friends. I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating the sticky animated video with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.